How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do remove blackheads step-by-step instant gains. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So how do you get rid of blackheads? With blackheads, the reason why you get them is because your pores are blocked. Anytime your pores become blocked, you're at risk of getting ingrown hairs, blackheads, whiteheads, boils, all of these different types of things, pimples. All we have to do to get rid of the blackheads and any type of skin issue is to make sure the pores are unblocked. So how do you do that? Very, very simple. You do what's called a sugar scrub. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, mix it in a glass, get the sugary watery paste, and then scrub it on the blackheads for 60 seconds. Do this once in the morning, once before going to bed. You do this 100% within a day or two, the blackheads will be gone. Guaranteed. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching.